Hey guys, this is Corey Bystead at Guarantee RV. I'm here to show you an Arctic Fox 35.5Z. This is one of the big guys, so if you like Arctic Fox and you like space, then you should come see this rig. Let's take a look inside. Okay guys, well, you can see there's a nice solid step coming up into the rig. Now once you enter the rig, you can see that this is one of the wide ones, so these are very deep slide outs, and they're opposing slide outs. So you get that super wide feel inside of here, which is very nice in a fifth wheel. We have a big island. It's got a split sink. One is bigger and one is smaller. I prefer that more than any other sink option. You have a 3-burner cooktop and you have an oven. These are both very big. Huge fan. A microwave above. If you make your way over into the living room, you can see the TV. It's a good size for a trailer, or a fifth wheel, I guess I would say. You have a fireplace and all this cabinetry. Look at all the stuff that you could put into here. So this is a good rig to just park and really move your stuff into and get really comfy. You have 2 reclining chairs that kind of swivel as well, and then like a theater kind of love seat thing going on here. It does heat up and light up and recline. And it's got that little clear thing above the cup holder. That little clear thing, you actually stab a little swinging table into that. So you have a little arm table there for you, attached to the seats. You can make your way over to this little dinette area. It's a table and chairs. You can lift it, so it's got a secret little storage inside of the table itself. And then this leaf extends. Now, let me tell you, when this leaf extends, it is as strong as the table if it was not a moving part. So if it was just a flat piece of wood, it's very strong. Sometimes some leaves can be super janky and weird, and I don't like those ones. I didn't talk about the fridge. The fridge does not have any silver or chrome appliance look to it. It's got the same cabinetry as your cabinets. So it really blends in. You don't feel like you got this big appliance inside of the rig. And I love that. It is very homey inside of here. Great classic colors, but it does not look dated. It's very updated, warm is how I would describe it. Now you do have a fan, a ceiling fan that's above the door. This one has Zamp solar charging, and the staircase right here going up is massive. It's very inviting. It's like, hey, come upstairs right into the bathroom. So the bathroom has 2 doors in it. Much needed room. I'm very happy with the direction that RVs have taken with bathrooms. If you go a lot older into the 1990 rigs, not specifically this brand, but just in general, the RV industry would cut corners on like your toilet size. No, pretty much anybody can get into this rig and sit down and use all of everything in this bathroom. And it does have a king size bed, a closet, and a dresser in the bedroom. So it's basically all the room that you would ever need in a nice, trustable brand like Arctic Fox. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions on this rig or any of my other inventory, you can just give me a call and I can help you out. 541-735-1535. Thanks.